At a farewell ceremony held at Marham Airfield in Norfolk, the Royal Air Force RAF formally retired its fleet of Panavia Tornado fighter jets, with the Tornado GR4 being the final operational model. During its operational existence, the British Air Force flew about 180 Panavia Tornado units in a variety of versions, including the Tornado GR1, GR4 ground assault variant, and Tornado F3 interceptor variant. In the past, the British Air Force RAF flew two primary versions of the Panavia Tornado family of aircraft. First, the basis for air combat and ground attack operations was the Tornado IDS Interdictor strike. Approximately 228 IDS variant units are used by the RAF. The second variation is the Tornado ADV air defense variation, which is used in lower quantities, around 18 units, and is specifically built for the air defense mission. As a result, the UK formerly owned roughly 246 Panavia Tornado aircraft, 228 IDS plus 18 ADV. Former members of RAF squadrons, there are currently 42 operational Tornado GR4s. The individual parts of the former Tornado fighter jets have been disassembled and 3D printed into new parts that are appropriate for the newest military aircraft in the UK. The British Air Force claims that this creative recycling effort has 3D printed new parts that are appropriate for the 6th generation Tempest fighter jet and transformed parts from outdated Tornado aircraft into powered metal. Examples chosen for recycling included Tornado parts made of titanium, such as the compressor blades from a low-pressure air compressor's jet engine for Orpheus, a Rolls-Royce small engine concept that is a part of the UK MOD's Future Combat Air System (FCAS) program featuring Tempest, Additive Manufacturing Solutions Limited AMS successfully cleaned, atomized, and recycled the components into 3D printed nose cones and compressor blades. The method may be applied to the 6th generation aircraft, the Tempest stealth fighter aircraft, after the nose cone was fitted to the Orpheus test machine and passed safety and viability testing. The UK's 6th generation fighter, Tempest, will replace the Eurofighter Typhoon in the RAF 4 starting in 2035 and employs revolutionary new technologies. Leading industry partners BAE Systems, Rolls-Royce, Leonardo, and MBDA make up Team Tempest. To create the technologies required for the upcoming generation of air combat aircraft, these partners are collaborating closely with the UK Ministry of Defence in order to help the Global Combat Air Programme (GCAP) provide fighter jets by 2035. Team Tempest is working on the project.